Hey everybody, Tim Hutchinson here. I'm in Tampa, and today I wanted to talk to you about improvisation using the pentatonic scale. We're just going to be using the first scale. There's actually 5 positions. If you don't know the pentatonic scale, don't know what I'm talking about with those 5 positions, that's fine. You can, back up, go find those resources. Maybe I'll talk about them in the future. Right now, all we're going over is the first position, and it's what you may call the blues scale. A lot of people call it that. It's just basic 2 notes per string. I'm kind of playing sloppy today, but here's the thing. When I'm improvising, basically I'm in a situation where, I'm playing stuff that I've maybe not necessarily, played all of it before. I've come up with some exercises that you can do on the pentatonic scale that will help you just be more proficient at that improvisation. I mean, you can improv on arpeggios, 3 notes per string scales. I mean, basically any theory out there is good. It's just, it's a matter of taste, and I have a few that I mix up. I think everybody basically, ultimately, that's what they end up doing, is they pick a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and that's how they become individuals. But anyway, here's one of the principles that I've used and still use. Again, the pentatonic shape. Now, you may have heard this before. This is going in notes of 3. So this patterns of 3. 1, 2, 3. Just started on the next note. Just started on the next note again. So together that sounds like. And then back. Alright, that's nothing really new. You've probably, maybe you've already heard that one too. But, here's where maybe I'm going to give you some new information. You could do that forwards and backwards, but there's still 2 more options. You can do backwards going forwards and forwards going backwards. From now on, I'll just call that inverse. So what that basically means is the first group was 3 notes, right? So what happens if I start on 3, 2, 1? Right? I mean, you can get that ripping. So that's working on the inverse. And then the inverse going back the other way. All right? So there it is. Practice that. And you know what? Let me just give you one more little tidbit of information when you're doing that, okay? Almost everybody, myself included, I'm sure probably everybody, maybe even all the way up to Paul Gilbert, when you're learning something new, it's exciting. So generally, a mistake that almost everybody makes is they try to do it too fast, too soon. And I found that anything that I get control over in my playing, it's because I slowed it down even more than I was capable of. So if I could normally execute that scale like this, right? Well, maybe I want to practice it at this speed. That way I'm feeling like I'm in complete control of every movement, picking hand, left hand, and the timings together. And then at that speed, when it becomes natural, then you can speed it up. All right, that's it. See you guys next time.